Hey everyone, friends on the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if you're missing the power management, restart, and shutdown options on Windows 10. For this, we'll open the registry. Here we need to enable the following: HKE underscore local underscore machine. Next, we open the system. Oh wait, we open software instead. Here we open Microsoft. I'm looking for it. Here it is. Next. So Microsoft. Got it. Here we need to find Windows. Found it. Here we need current version. And in current version, we need policies. Let's find it. Here it is. Let's expand it. We expand data collection. No, system. Click on system and look for the next item. It's called Shutdown with Login. Here it is, not very visible for some reason. It says without logon for some reason. Okay, right click and select properties. If you have a 0, it should look like mine. Set it to 1, then click OK and you can close it. Next, go to the Group Policy Editor. Policies. Enter. Here we need to open admin properties. Right? Here's Start menu and taskbar. Look for Remove and Prevent Access to Shutdown. Here it is. It might look like mine for you. We need to edit and disable this option. Click Disable, Apply, and OK. After that, should appear. Goodbye, everyone.